Happy New Year, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Also, thank you for the first 100 subscribers. It means a lot to me and it motivates me to make more videos and hope more people are coming to my channel in this year. And so today we build the exhaust system to this Lada. It's quite easy because here is a lot of space. Let's lift the car and see what we need to make. I have car on 4 old wheel. It's replica wheels. Nobody want to buy them, so it's good to use lifting the car higher or putting under the wheels. And yeah, okay. So did cut this tube before. The idea is to use it here, like this little angle. And then I'm going to use these two 45-degree angles. This need to cut here a little bit, but that's after. So and they go like this. This goes here. And yeah, so something like this. Then we have straight over the rear axle, and yeah, so let's cut some pipe and let's see how this thing gonna work. Been made already. I'm gonna look how it stays under the car, and yeah, so that's it. So the exhaust system is tack welded. Now I am going to clean all spots where I'm gonna weld, and here I add one rubber connection point, and the rear muffler goes here with the clamp. So I'm going to clean this and then start welding. here some metal what I'm going to use for the rear muffler bracket. I'm gonna drill 2 holes, go to measure how long I need, and then make some bends and weld it on the muffler. I measured and it needs to be 50 centimeters. So now need the muffler and let's bend it in the correct angle. So I did mark here where it's gonna locate, like this. Now I'm going to clean for welding. Yep. So when it's not so hot anymore, need to paint and then we can use it. So exhaust system is ready. Let's see how it came out. Rear muffler. I haven't painted yet the welded part. And here is a clamp missing, but I need to go and buy one. So yeah, it's quite nice for Lada. And here I add this one rubber mount. It holds it quite nice. We can't hear sound today because need to connect radiator before the start and some ignition work before, and when we can start then the sound test comes also. And yeah, that's it for today. So hit that subscribe button, comment, like, and see you in the next video. Bye!